Level 1 Beginner. Lesson 11 Daily Routines. Hello and welcome to your English journey. If you are just starting with English, don't worry. You are in the right place. Today, we will learn how to talk about simple daily routines. What we do every day. Let's begin. Morning routine. It's 6:30 in the morning. The sun is rising. Vikram wakes up. Wake up to stop sleeping. Can you repeat after me? Vikram wakes up. Now you try. Good. At 6:45, Vikram gets up. Get up to leave your bed. Listen and repeat. I get up at 6:45. Great job. Let's learn more morning actions. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Drink tea or coffee. Now listen and repeat each one. Now it's your turn. I will say the time and you say the activity. Ready? 7 a.m. What do you do? Maybe you said, I brush my teeth. Good. Afternoon routine. Now it's 12:30 p.m. Alka is in the kitchen. She makes lunch. Make lunch, prepare lunch. Repeat. She makes lunch. Good job. Let's learn some more daily actions. Cook. Eat lunch. Go to work. Come home. Take a nap. Clean the house. Can you say this? I come home at 5 p.m. Excellent. Evening and night. It's 6 p.m. Sachi and Arav do their homework. Do homework, study at home. Repeat. They do their homework. Now try this. I do my homework at 6 p.m. Perfect. Now listen and say these with me. Watch TV. Eat dinner. Read a book. Go to bed. Sleep. Grammar focus. Present simple tense. Let's learn about the present simple tense. We use this to talk about things we do every day. I, you, we, they, plus base verb. I wake up at 7. He, she, it, plus verb, plus s. She wakes up at 7. Listen carefully. I go to work. She goes to work. Did you hear the s at the end? That's only for he, she, it. Keep that in mind. Quick practice. Say the correct form. He eat breakfast. Answer. He eats breakfast. Speaking practice. Now let's practice together. I will say a time and you say what you do. 7 a.m. 9 a.m. 12 p.m. Good. Now pause the video and say your full daily routine. Start from waking up and go to sleep. Pause now and practice. Listening and mini quiz. Now listen to Arav's day. Try to remember the order. Hello, I am Arav. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast at 8. I go to school at 9. I come home at 3. I do my homework, I eat dinner, I go to bed at 9 p.m. What time does Arav go to school? Answer 9 a.m. What does he do after school? Answer, he does his homework. Recap. Today we learned about daily routines. Let's remember some key phrases. I wake up at 7. She brushes her teeth. We eat lunch at 1. They go to bed at 10. Well done, everyone. Challenge task. Write your daily routine in English in the comments. Use full sentences. Thank you for learning with me today. You did amazing. Remember to practice every day. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your routine below. Bye for now.